TFNN. Headline News Update.
Everyone, on this 26th day of February, Friday, the last day of the month, the last trading day of the month, that is. So the monthly charts, we're going to be looking I'm doing Larry's show in a few minutes' time. Trade what you see. Larry's out. And I'll be doing my noontime show, the Tiger Technicians Hour. And let's see, the Dow futures are down. Well, they're actually now unchanged at 31,371. That, you remember, in the Chapman Wave methodology, we're always looking for those leg Ds, and that's what was missing in the futures. We did get them in the Dow, the cash, but we didn't get them in the futures, didn't get them in the diamonds, and you always expect at least 4 higher peaks. That's where other things can happen at that peak D, alphabetized. Well, lo and behold, we got that leg D. Now it's a peak D because there's a lower high. I'm sure we're not going to take out the high of yesterday in the 32,000s. In fact, we're now down 15. Look at the Emini, the ES, H21, the Emini futures, S&P futures, up 18. There's a divergence between the Dow and the Emini, up 18 at 38.47. Had a high of 39.59 back on the 16th plunge. And then right at that resistance line I was talking about yesterday, it got repelled. Took out the left side low and went to a lower low at 38.01.50 early this morning. There should be some kind of a retracement. Let's look at the QQQ, which is the NDX 100 trading vehicle, up 350 at 316, made a peak D. There's that D again at 338.19 on the 16th of February, came plunging down to the 311 round number low. We're going to watch this closely because the resistance is at 324, 326. If it's able to get above that, that's a good sign. If it gets repelled, watch out, we could start another arch formation going down. IWM is up 93. That's the Russell 2000 iShares. Made a peak E at 230.32. It's come down with lower lows and lower highs, got repelled right at the resistance line. We're going to be talking about that in the show coming up. But look at gold. Gold just got smashed. Gold is down 14 at 1760. Remember, the 1755, 60 to 55 areas, what I've been looking at is absolutely key support for gold. It's getting close. And that arch formation in the weekly chart says be careful. Silver is also down some. It's the same sort of pattern. Look at the dollar. The dollar is actually, and what I'm going to be discussing in Larry's show coming up is not just that, but crude oil with a little doji candle yesterday is going to be pulling back from here. And the TLT made a trough, a leg D to the downside. The TBT bonds on the upside went to a leg D. Will they make peaks? Yes, slight change here. Put back the low.